cast spells with the power of my thoughts. My mind is a wand that shapes reality. I am a master of quantum spell work. I am one that my intentions instantly repels. I am powerful. I can move energy with silent precision. My thoughts are spells that always manifest.
Whispers of dawn in the waking sky. Golden threads weave the clouds as they sigh. The world breathes soft in a gentle embrace. Each petal forward, a hymn to this place. Mountains rise, their crowns kissed by light. Rivers dance, reflecting the night. Each tree a sentinel, steadfast and tall. Guardians of beauty, answering nature's call. Oh, the road winds on through valleys and hills, a symphony born of the earth's quiet thrills. Yet my heart beats loud for the soul by my side. My love, my companion, my endless guide. Fields of gold stretch as far as the eye. Their whispers caught in the breezes reply. The scent of pine, the salt of the sea. This boundless trail sets our spirits free. We've braved the storm, felt the sun's truthful bliss. Each mile a chapter, each turn a caress. Through the heart of the world, our journey unfolds, and the greatest treasure is the love that we hold. Oh, the road winds on through valleys and hills, a symphony born of the earth's quiet thrills. Yet my heart beats loud for the soul by my side. My love, my companion, my endless guide. In your eyes, the sun's gentle gleam. In your laughter, the brook's endless stream.